Today I'm going to be showing you how you make a simple car controller in Unity. With selecting your root device, click on here and search up for a rigid body. Set your master 100 and then add a box collider. Edit the box collider to go all around your vehicle. Make sure to keep your bottom part elevated and up towards the bottom of your car. Now, create a empty and let's call it LFC for left front collider. Place it on your left front wheel as close as you can to the center. Put it into your car and add a wheel collider. Now change the radius to fit your wheel and place it in the center of your wheel. Now copy and paste it and do it onto your right front wheel. Now rename it for RFC. Now select your LFC and RFC, copy, paste it and put them on your back wheels. Go into the link in the description and get the car controller. Paste it into here and put it onto your root car. Select it and put your colliders on here. And put your meshes onto here. Make your motor force 1000 and your brake force 3000. Put your max steer angle to 30 and now let's give it a shot. And voila, it works. We have a working car controller. But now we have to add our camera to the controller. How do we do this? Well, go to Window, Package Manager, search for Cinemachine, download it, then go to your camera, add component and add Cinemachine Brain. On your car, create a new empty and call it Point Look. Place that anywhere on your car that you would like the player to look at. For the best results, put it on top center of the car. Now select your main camera, go to Component, Cinemachine and Cinemachine Virtual Camera. Now get your empty point look and put it in your follow and look at on your Cinemachine Virtual Camera component. Now on transitions, click body, third person follow, click it, and using the rig you can change whereabouts the player will look. For me, I'm going to put it right here. Now press play and voila, you have now got a completely working car controller.